Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I'm so excited because I got the new DesiXKaty Round 2 Dose of Colors collab. I feel like that's such a long name. The DesiXKaty Round 2 with Dose of Colors, and you guys probably know that I love Dose of Colors, so I was so excited to receive this package, and I saw, all the promo for it, and I was just super excited. I knew that I was gonna love every single product in there already. Just by watching DesiXKaty's video, I was just like, oh my god, I literally need everything in this collection because I loved everything that came out in their first collection. So yeah, I was just really excited, and I received the package in the mail yesterday, so today was my filming day, so I thought that it was perfect that it came in right on time for today's video. So I want to show you guys the box, of course. You can't really see the DesiXKaty because it's like, well, you can kind of see it there. DesiXKaty, and the little Dose of Colors down here. So this is how it looks like. It has a little card. In the box, it has this adorable picture of them just sitting by the pool. I love this picture. I love everything that went into this promo shoot. I think that they killed it. And the makeup artists that did their makeup are some of my favorite makeup artists. This color is more of like a bronzy gold this time. I think their first collection, the packaging was more gold, but this time it's more of a bronzy gold. Let's go ahead and talk about the products a little bit. I'm not gonna go into too much details. I want to keep the intro short and sweet. I just wanted to quickly show you guys the palette. This is how it looks like right here. The two highlighters, Fuego, they brought back Fuego, and then Chasing the Sun is their new one. And then they came out with two regular lipsticks, two glosses, and they over the top they brought back, and two new formulas. These are like cream, I think they said, but I would say it has like a velvety texture. Like, it's not matte, so it's more of a velvet finish, and I really like the way that it feels, so that's why I decided to go with the shade My Main on my lips today. So yeah, I'm gonna do a whole lip swatch. I'm not gonna show you guys how all these look like. So yeah, they came out with 6 lip products, 2 highlighters, and a whole palette. I've been thinking for the past 2 days, like, what kind of look am I going to do with this eyeshadow palette, and I honestly just kind of winged it. I didn't know what I was going to do, but I just wanted to use as many colors as I could. So I hope that you guys like this video, and let's go ahead and get started.